Guys, in this video I will show you how you can make agent stock in Valorant. It's quite easy and straightforward, so as you can see
I'm
here,
rotating. I'll take point. Quiet.
do a
Sorry,
bunch
mate.
of different things here, and you can talk, right? And to do so, it's quite easy and straightforward. You just need to press escape button, go to the gear icon here, not gear icon, audio. Then you need to go to not audio controls, and then communication. And then here you need to bind these keys. So radio commands menu index, as you can see here. You need to bind these here and these as well, right? So as you can see here, this is for the menu. So if we go on the audio here again, if I press 6, as you can see here, this communication, first one is I need support, caution, need healing, on my way, ultimate status. 7, thanks, command, yes,
Cheers.
no, hello. Then this one is also, I believe, the same. And if I press 9, there will be where you go, A, B, C, mid, or something like that. And then on the so there was a command menu, and on the wheel, the first one is, as you can see here, it's need support, ultimate status, rotating, and a bunch of different stuff. Then this one is where you can watch, on my way, I'll take the point, need healing, or something like that. And with this one is also hello, sorry, no, or something like that. And with this is also where you go. So it's completely up to you what you want to use, command menu or the wheel. I like to use wheel, so you can just bind, as you can see here, either a wheel or menu, but I like wheel. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.